All right, guys. Good day. So in this video, I'll be doing a quick one. I'll be showing us how to simply. It's about LinkedIn accounts. How to simply, apply for jobs. Once you create your LinkedIn account is set up. You put yourself that you're looking for certain kinds of job. On a daily basis, as these jobs are being uploaded, they are emailing you about them. And let's say I click on one of these jobs now, this is going to open up. Yeah, this is going to open up. This is one of the job I got emailed about. Say, I click on apply now, which is the usual. You see, this is everything about the job. And this is literally everything that will be required of me to impute. So I do this, 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 keep filling and keep filling. Wow. Lots of things required. Nonetheless, you see this little icon here, apply with LinkedIn, which is way, way, way easier. LinkedIn just so for you to apply with LinkedIn, you know that you must have already uploaded your CV on LinkedIn. Through your CV, yeah, LinkedIn helps you. It's reduced the workload, the stress to a very great amount. So the first thing you're gonna have to do is log into your LinkedIn accounts. This is mine. I'm going to be showing us how to upload our CV to our LinkedIn so that we can always have this cool feature here where we simply use this and they help us kind of sort this form out to at least the bare minimum. So log into your LinkedIn account. Then after logged in, you have to come here. Yeah, settings and privacy. Then you come to data privacy. Where's that stuff again? Yeah. Job seeking preferences. We come to job application settings. This should be it. I hope I'm right. Okay, yes. And here, this is literally where you see this. So this is like my first CV that has been here for a while. It's not really all that professional. It's not really all that professional. I think for now, LinkedIn can literally have access to like three of your resumes as you update them as you go. So all you have to do to upload the resume, you click here, and I have a few resumes. So I'm just going to use this. That's my resume where I specify that I'm a software engineer. So that's that. It's here. So if you want to delete one of your resumes, say you want to delete one of the resumes, just like click on this stuff here. You can delete it and you can still download it straight to your system. And this is okay, say I've been deleted. Okay, so yeah. So why I'm showing you this is just in case perhaps maybe when you signed into LinkedIn newly, they requested your CV, and maybe you didn't have a CV then or didn't have access to your CV as at that time, and yeah, you're trying to locate that option. So this is why I'm making this video. So that's my CV, and you see the required formats: docx. I think doc is for your Windows, docx is for like Mac, then PDF, which is of course we can all do that. So you can decide to turn this on or off. Yeah, well, whichever. So that is that. I do hope this was helpful. So just use it and go get those jobs everywhere. So make things easier for you. So I can just click on apply with LinkedIn. I have to sign in. So you can do all of that. So yeah, that is it. Do enjoy yourself and have fun. Thank you so much. I'm out.